In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to fix some of your issues with your pit bike not turning over properly, and it's basically because of your clutch is slipping on these front clutch style pit bikes. This is a Thumpstar 125. This is common on plenty of Chinese pit bikes. It could be SSRs, Coolsters, TaoTao, you name it, all those Chinese brands that have the front clutch with the arm that's going to go up and down instead of the traditional clutch arm that goes forward and back up here. You can tell it's a front clutch because you'll see the arm and you'll see this cover right here, which is your adjustment cover. Sometimes you can get away with taking your adjustment cover off and adjusting the little plate in there, the free play on it. But usually if you kick your bike over and it's not turning the engine over, it kind of feels like it's slipping, and you know your engine's not turning over. It's because the clutch is slipping, guys. And it's real simple to fix. I think the clutch kit for my 125, it fits all kinds of makes and models of the Chinese bikes. It was $23 on eBay. And of course you have to buy the clutch cover gasket, would be recommended. That's like 10 bucks. So it was like $32 to fix the problem. And I'm sure there's more people out there with the same problem as me. I didn't realize that the Kickstarter has to turn through the clutch because the clutch is actually hooked onto the crankshaft, which turns the engine over. So if your clutch plates are burnt or slipping and stuff like that from just normal wear, or if you abused it, maybe no oil or something, and it's not turning the engine over, the clutch pack is probably going to be the issue. And it'll feel really, how would I say it, noticeable, because you can kick it over and it'll just like almost like it's slipping, like something just ain't right. And I was like scared maybe I messed up something in the valve train or something like that. But I checked, I had an extra motor that had the same issue for this Thumpstar, and I did the same kind of checks on it, and I'm like, what the heck is the problem? And I found a forum online saying, oh, the Kickstarter actually turns through the clutch to turn the engine over. So hopefully this will help people out there. It's a pretty simple fix, guys. If you want to want me to make a video about adjusting or replacing clutches or something like that, I can also put links to clutch kits in the description or in the comments or something. Just leave a comment down below. But just another quick informational pit bike video, guys. If you guys want to see videos with the Thumpstar, this is like an 06 or 08 125. These Thumpstars are actually really nice. They come standard with the Mikuni carburetors on them. We also have the TaoTao 140, which actually blew its clutch out this past weekend, actually, if you guys are watching at the time that I make this video. So we're going to have to do a clutch on that bike particularly. We still have the SSR, but the TaoTao 140 is definitely going to need a clutch. We have that on order. We may be doing a clutch video, replacing the clutch on there. But basically this is for your front clutches. As you can see right there, if your pit bike has any style clutch like this, that's probably going to be a common problem, that if it's not kicking over the engine, the clutch is going to need a replacement. I'm not sure if that is the case on semi-automatics. I don't know if the clutch pack runs through the crankshaft or anything like that, but I know if you have a full manual with a hand clutch and it looks something like this, your engine, Thumpstar, doesn't matter what brand it is, those Chinese bikes, check this out first. It's probably the culprit. Hopefully this helps a lot of you guys out there. If you guys want to see more pit bike videos, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new. We're trying to hit 300 subscribers, guys. That would be awesome. And thank you guys for watching the video. There'll be more pit bike videos to come in the future.